All right, let's jump right into this explainer. Today, we're unpacking a highly actionable startup blueprint straight from our source material. We're talking about the architecture for a massive concept here, an AI kids tutor app. We're going to walk through exactly what it takes to build a comprehensive AI-driven educational platform from the ground up, totally breaking down the features, the technology, and the marketing strategies that the research outlines. Now, right out of the gate, the source makes a super important point. Forget about production aesthetics for a second. Just completely ignore them. We need to focus purely on the massive market opportunity sitting right in front of us. According to the research, this is a fresh, largely unclaimed business model. I mean, the market for AI education is exploding, but a centralized, highly engaging hub built specifically for young kids, that remains a wide open playing field. So, I've got to ask, are you ready to build an AI kids tutor app? The source actually throws down a pretty bold challenge here. If this blueprint gets your gears turning and you decide to actually build this thing, you need to claim the idea in the comments below, like right now, so nobody else swoops in on your exact work. Let's unpack the mechanics of this blueprint and see exactly how it functions. Here's exactly how we're going to break this down today. First, we'll look at the fresh business idea itself. Second, the core features for kids. Third, we'll crack open the app's technology stack. Fourth, the monetization and growth strategy. And finally, number 5, viral marketing and potential. All right, part 1, a fresh business idea. Our main goal here is to create a unified, AI-driven educational app built specifically for young learners. Think of it like a pocket-sized super tutor for kids between, say, 4 and 15 years old. But here's the kicker. The actual users, the ones downloading and paying for this, are their parents, schools, and homeschoolers. The source even throws out some pretty catchy brand names to get you started, like Smart Kids AI, AI Homework Buddy, or Future Kids Learning. The overarching goal is for this to be the ultimate, trusted companion for early childhood education. Moving on to part 2, core features for kids. So, to create this engaging learning loop that keeps kids coming back without it feeling like, well, a chore, the absolute heart of this app is the AI voice teacher. A kid can just talk naturally to the app. They can ask questions in their native language like 2 plus 2 kitna hota hai, which means how much is 2 plus 2. The AI then answers back in this super friendly, cartoonish teacher voice, and it's totally bilingual. It supports Hindi and English perfectly, and you can instantly swap between a male or female voice. It completely breaks down that intimidation factor you usually get with traditional learning. Building on that voice feature, the app brings in some seriously powerful AI tools. Just picture a kid stuck on a math problem. They just snap a photo, upload it, and the AI doesn't just hand them the answer. No, it reads the question, solves it step by step, and literally explains the logic, whether it's math, science, or English. Then you've got conversational practice, where the AI actually chats with the kid to help with their pronunciation. And if they just want to chill for a bit, there's an AI story generator. They can literally say, hey, tell me a story about a lion and a rabbit, and boom, the app creates it on the spot with voice narration and custom cartoon images. All the while, there's this personalized system quietly tracking their daily progress to tee up the perfect next lesson. Now, the absolute genius of this is how it balances what the kid wants with what the parent needs. On the kid's side, it's completely gamified. We're talking math quizzes, memory games, coins, unlockable badges. It literally just feels like playing a game. But flip over to the parent's side, and it's strictly business. Parents get this secure, dedicated dashboard to check study times, look at daily reports, and figure out exactly where their kid might be struggling. Plus, and this is a big one, there's a rock-solid kids safe mode. Absolutely zero ads, zero unsafe content, and strict screen time limits. Okay, let's get a bit technical. Part 3, the app technology stack. We're gonna slow down just a second here for the developers and tech entrepreneurs out there, because this is the exact architectural blueprint you'll need. For the front end, the source highly recommends Flutter or React Native. This is super smart because you save a ton of time and money building a smooth app for both iOS and Android from just a single code base. For the back end, Node.js paired with Firebase is going to handle your user authentication and server logic. Then, the real magic, the AI, is powered by plugging into the OpenAI API or Gemini API, and you pair that with 11 Labs for those incredibly natural, expressive cartoon voices. Finally, your database. You'll want to lean on Firebase Firestore to securely and instantly manage all those learning trackers and complex parent dashboards in real time. All right, let's talk money. Part 4, monetization and growth strategy. So how exactly do we turn this awesome tech into a real sustainable business? It's all about the freemium model. Users start out on a free version, right? It gives them a little taste of the magic. maybe a few AI chats, and some basic lessons, just enough to prove the value. But to get the really good stuff, parents have to upgrade to the premium plan. The source suggests pricing this somewhere between 2 to 12 US dollars a month, which is roughly 199 to 999 Indian rupees. That monthly fee completely unlocks the app. You get unlimited AI tutoring, advanced modules, premium stories, and endless access to that highly requested homework scanner. And you know what? The scaling potential absolutely does not stop there. Once you've got that initial user base locked in, the roadmap expands aggressively into the broader ed tech space. Think about direct partnerships with schools, or selling specialized premium AI voice packs and extra learning kits as microtransactions. We're even talking about launching live AI classes and eventually bringing all of this into augmented and virtual reality classrooms. The ceiling on this business model? It's sky high. Which brings us to our final section, part 5, viral marketing and potential. Because look, having a revolutionary app means absolutely nothing if nobody knows it actually exists. To hit those massive global markets like India, the US, the UAE, the UK, and Canada, the source heavily leans into a high-impact viral YouTube Shorts strategy. Just imagine a busy parent scrolling through their feed, and bam, they see a thumbnail that screams homework in 5 seconds, future kids app, or AI teacher for kids. It instantly creates curiosity and drives super low-cost user acquisition right from the exact demographic that desperately needs this tool. So we've covered a lot of ground today. We've walked through the core features, that essential tech stack, the monetization model, and exactly how to market this thing virally, which leaves us with one pretty provocative question. Who is going to build this billion-dollar app first? Like the source reminds us, this opportunity is sitting wide open right now. If you found this explainer valuable and it helped clarify the blueprint for you, please hit that like button and subscribe so we can keep bringing you these deep dives. And most importantly, like we said earlier, if you are claiming this idea and starting your build today, drop a comment below and let the world know. Thanks so much for learning with me today, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.